Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, today we again will take a look at the euro currency. So you can see this market shows some progress, although it's not really drastical. Currently, as you know, the major driving factor for the euro is the Greece, and everybody tells about it. And in today's Reuters news, the investors and the bankers, the traders, all keep an eye on the possible resolving of the problems around the Greek debt. So most investors expect what will happen after the Greece will pay out the 750 millions to the IMF. So and they really has some doubts that Greece will be able to make the following the payments after this payment. So that's why it's really the major event in the focus. That's the discussion of the situation around the Greek debt. So meantime, as you can see, on the euro currency market has shown slightly deeper retracement than we have thought initially, but that could happen because market has completed 1618 butterfly here, and that's why this retracement may be a bit deeper. But currently, guys, we do not see any problems why market can't show another leg up right within the same area that we have discussed in the weekend. That's, you can see, monthly pivot resistance one, and what is more important, this is the major 1618 extension target of this wide ABC bottom pattern. Also take a look that market is not that ever bad, so in fact it has free room right to this area. It's nothing, no barriers exist in this area that could prevent market from reaching of this level. As you can see, this level also stands in this consolidation, so that's why it's, in fact, this is the first resistance that market will meet when it will reach it. So that's why we think that the chances that market will reach it is very probable. And after that, it would be perfect if market right after it will hit this area shows retracement right back down to the monthly pivot point. That's in fact what we expect, what we are waiting for. Because we mostly here are looking for taking the long position based on the analysis that we have made on the monthly chart, on the weekly chart, and how market will reverse down. That's the second question. The first question is that's why or another way we would like to see market right in this area. That will let us to take the long position. Whether market will form here the 3 drive that we have discussed, or some other pattern will be formed, that's not really very significant for us. This is significant for those who trade on the intraday charts and who would like to take the fast short position. That's also possible, but that stands on another time frame. That's absolutely different setup. Since we mostly discussed the daily chart, on the daily chart we have the bullish action, we have the bullish trend, and we will be watching for taking the long position on the euro currency. Finally, guys, on the daily chart, we should keep an eye on this candle, because you can see market here could form the bullish grabber. That's the way of grabbers that I would like to trade, because they stand in the direction of the previous thrust. So you can see thrust up, retracement, and the grabber stands in the same direction. That's why these grabbers are more reliable than those of them who formed against the trend. That's why if finally we will get this grabber, that will significantly increase the chances of taking out of this top. And as the consequence, you can see that this probably will lead market to the target. So appearing of the grabber significantly increased the probability of reaching this area. It's 1475, 115 approximately. So that's the level where we expect and where we would like to see that market will turn down with the deeper retracement. So that's approximately our trading plan for the current week. On the 4-hour time frame chart, I do not see something really special. Maybe here you can see this retracement a bit deeper than we expected in the weekly research, but that, as I said, maybe mostly due to the completion point of the butterfly. That's why market has the tendency to reach the 3 support as the minimum target of the butterfly. Now you can see the market is trying to reestablish the bullish action and trying to continue move higher. At the same time, the fact that market has formed a bit deeper retracement hasn't broken the possible appearing of the 3 drive pattern. It's just the 1.27 extension. Previously it was slightly lower than 1618. Now it stands slightly higher, but approximately the same area as the daily 1475 area. Approximately the same resistance on the daily time frame chart. So here, guys, I did not see any drastic changes. Another moment that probably you could pay attention to, you could try to recognize here the head and shoulders pattern, especially on the hourly chart if you take a look at it. But guys, personally, I wouldn't treat it as the head and shoulders, because as you can see, it's a bit too significant distance between the bottoms. It's too slope action of the bottoms. If we suggest that this is the left shoulder, market will form the right shoulder. It's a bit skewed pattern. It's mostly reminds some sort of the triangle or wedge pattern, but in the nature of how market is reaching this area, well, I'm not sure that we should treat it as the head and shoulders, especially based on the picture that we have on the daily, and when we have, especially if we assume that and when we have the signs that market should continue move high on the daily chart. That's why better to stay with the moments that we already have talked about. First of all, it's the existence of this target. Second, keep an eye on this grabber. If it will be completed, in this case, the chances that market will finish this ABCD, will reach the monthly pivot, will increase significantly. And later we will be watching for reversal patterns on the intraday charts in this area.